friends, here's a song or a story, however you choose to do it, called The Five Little Astronauts. This one's called One Little Astronaut Playing on Mars, Dreaming, Gazing, and Counting Stars. Floating, gliding, so much fun. Astronaut, astronaut, won't you come home? Two little astronauts playing on Mars, bouncing, spinning, counting stars. Jumping, skipping, so much fun. Astronaut, astronaut, won't you come home? Three little astronauts playing on Mars, chasing, racing, counting stars, singing, laughing, so much fun. Astronaut, astronaut, won't you come home? Four little astronauts playing on Mars, dancing, gliding, counting stars, twirling, leaping, so much fun. Astronaut, astronaut, won't you come home? Five little astronauts playing on Mars, hopping, wishing, counting stars. Time for bed now, sleepy eyes. Astronaut, astronaut, say goodbye. Goodbye. Then you're counting forwards here, and with an adult, you can count backwards. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Then in this packet, you have your 5 astronauts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Mars and a star, and you can cut them out. And here is the Earth and a space shuttle to use. And then you have all the planets and a couple more astronauts and a pretend alien and a sun. So you can cut these out and use them however you would like to enjoy over and over again. Have fun, friends. Bye.